Hey everybody, it's John and Megan, and we are back in the basement again, once again, pulling fantastic items that we sold on eBay. But anyways, we are going to show you guys some of the items that we sold on eBay. They're pretty cool. And what are the items that we sold, Megan? Hit me with that beautiful bean footage. This is a board off of a washing machine. I tell you guys all the time that right next door there is a appliance store, and they sell appliances, go figure, and sometimes they bring appliances back, and I will take the pieces off of them and I will sell them on eBay. So this was absolutely free. How much did it sell for?
$30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. That's freaking amazing. That's absolutely free. That's all money for me and some for Francis. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is this really awesome 1/18 scale Pontiac GTO. It does have some paint issues. It was painted in a chop shop in East LA, and the paint's all bubbling up on it, so we sold it, not for as much as you could have sold it for. This is like somewhere upwards of like an $80 diecast car if you find one in good shape, but unfortunately, because the paint's a little messed up on it, I lowered the price on it. I paid like $7 for it. How much did it sell for?
45 plus shipping.
Still got 45 bucks for that, plus shipping on top. Not too bad. It's actually, oh, you thought I was going to hand it to you. You're too slow. You got to be quicker than that. No, but anyways, it's pretty nice, and we sold it, and I'm going to take that money and I'm going to buy Megan something really nice with it. Okay, guys, I had a lady bring in some stuff from the streets. She walked right in off the streets and brought me some stuff into the store for me to buy, and one of the items that I bought was this really cool film camera. I really love film cameras. They sell really good. These 35 millimeter?
Yep.
35 millimeter film cameras. If you're ever out and about and you're looking for something to make a little bit of money, you can still pick these up at places like Goodwill for fairly cheap. This one here is a Pentax. It's got a lens like that long. If you, let's just say, lens to camera ratio is pretty impressive. Right, Megan? Mm-hmm. She said, mm-hmm. But it's a really nice camera. People still use them. I don't know what for. I got like 2 or 3 cameras from this lady. I sold one. I've still got one for sale for like 40 bucks. This one sold for how much?
$32.95.
And I think I paid the lady 40 bucks for everything that she brought in. And I got almost all my money back off of this one camera. Okay, guys, the next VCR tape that we got, Megan actually starred in this one. She's kind of quiet about it. She don't want people to know she's famous. But she starred in this VHS called Slammer Girls. This is a movie. It says, you're going up the river to visit Slammer Girls and the weirdest woman's prison riot ever. It's a body, ball, and chain comedy where the inmates are busting out all over. Join the incarcerated chaos with all the locked up lovelies at the Loch Ness Penitentiary for women. You didn't know Francis had a record that long, about as long as the lens on that other camera I just showed you. But anyways, I sold this VCR tape. Some VCR tapes are worth a lot of money. This one was pre-watched, pre-loved, pre-owned. And how much did it sell for?
$17.95 plus shipping.
$17.95 plus shipping. We'll take that all day long. Okay, guys, the last item that we have to show you here. I bought this at a yard sale. I want to say for somewhere along the lines of like $5 whole. It's pretty awesome. It is a Yashica, one of these Yashica cameras. There's a certain way you got to open this bad boy. And that's what it looks like here. It's absolutely beautiful, almost as pretty as Francis back there. It's a Yashica LM. Some of these can sell for really good money. I bought one in a box one time that was like new, and we sold it for nearly 400 bucks. This one comes with a leather case. It's a really cool, I think that this would be a medium format camera, Megan.
I think so, yeah.
I think it is a medium format. Megan knows a lot more about cameras than me. She actually owns a really nice
120 millimeter.
120 millimeter. She owns a really nice like Hasselblad. I have a video on that on the channel if you want to watch it. It's definitely worth watching. It's me talking about finding a like $5 billion camera that she stole from me. It's definitely worth you going to check out because, hey, that's what you do when you're married, right? Steal $5 billion from your partner. Talking to you, guy who owns Amazon, Jeff Bezos. There you go. And I think that's all that we have. How much was the total, Francis?
Well, this was $90.
That was 90 bucks by itself, so...
Yeah, it was like $215-ish total.
We sold $215 the past 24 hours yesterday, and I think, how much did we sell in the store yesterday?
I It's a little over 212 or something like that.
Yeah, so that's like a $400 day. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. I'll take it. And I'll take it. What we're going to do, Megan?
What do you mean?
We're going to take it.
Okay.
Let's give some jazz hands. Give some jazz hands. Jazz hands. You're not doing it right. Give me some shakes. Some shakes. Shakes like this. Let me just do it. This, no, that's jazz fingers. We want jazz hands. There you go.
Wait,
that's
they do that though, don't they?
I like this. We're just gonna go with this then. How about that?
Okay.
We'll be right back. Okay, everyone. I want to introduce you. This is Noah, and he's about taller than me now. How old are you, Noah?
15 going on 16.
What are you gonna be when you grow up?
Want to do this or a mechanic?
He wants to be a junker or a mechanic. I think that this is a lot better than being a mechanic, but that no offense, mechanics. I just like this a lot better. What do you what's your favorite thing that we sell?
I like the cars a lot.
He loves the cars. That's pretty cool. Okay, kid, get out of here. You're bothering me. You can't steal the limelight yet. Kids, they're always trying to take over. They get in your business. I mean, I might have invited him in, but he was staying too long. But anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about something really serious. I was talking to somebody the other day, and I found out that eBay is once again like saying that we can't sell something on their site. And this one is kind of weird. It's kind of weird that the whole world has like kind of championed this guy, the guy Jeffrey Dahmer, the guy that ate people. I thought it was weird. I guess there's some kind of TV show out about him. But do you guys know that you can't sell Jeffrey Dahmer Halloween costumes on eBay? Well, now you do. Now you know. I sound like that guy off of TikTok. But you can't sell Jeffrey Dahmer stuff on there. And I was like, that is really weird. It's like just a Halloween costume. I mean, think about how many people out there that are like Halloween. Like, that's like serial killers and mass murderers and monsters. Like, if you can't sell that stuff, like, what can you sell? I guess I understand because it kind of glorifies, you know, the serial killing and the people that he killed. But I just thought that was weird. I wanted to share that with you guys real quick. I thought it'd be something interesting to talk about at the end of the video. And speaking of which, we are at the end of the video. But don't click off yet because, you know, hey, I gotta say my spiel to you. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy seeing the stuff that we sell. I'm actually late opening up the store, so I'm going to get upstairs because I probably got a line of people down the street waiting to get in to buy all my really good stuff. So you guys have a good day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Go down and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We've got a lot of new subscribers to the channel, and those of you who are new, welcome. And as always, you guys have a good night. God bless you guys. And remember, the family that picks together, what do they do, guys?
Stick together.
That was almost perfect. Good night.